If the status indicator of the aircraft blinks yellow quickly when powered on, linking is required to control the aircraft with the remote controller. Linking the remote controller with the DJI Fly app. Power on the aircraft. Connect the mobile device with the remote controller and open up the DJI Fly app. Tap Connect Aircraft at the bottom right. Tap the settings icon on the top right and select Control and Connect to the aircraft. When the remote controller beeps continuously with the battery LEDs blinking in sequence, it means the remote controller is ready to link. Press the aircraft power button and hold for approximately 4 seconds. The aircraft will beep once, and the battery level LEDs will blink in sequence, indicating it is ready to link. The remote controller will then stop beeping, and the LEDs on the aircraft and RC will also stop blinking. When the live camera view is displayed on the app, it means linking is successful. Linking the remote controller with combination buttons. You can also link the remote controller with combination buttons by simultaneously pressing the customizable button at the top left, the photo video button at the top right, and the shutter record button at the top. The remote controller will start to beep after 2 seconds. Press and hold the battery switch for approximately 4 seconds and release it once it begins to beep. The aircraft will start the linking process. When the remote controller stops beeping, the app will display the image transmission screen, indicating that the linking was successful. Thank you for watching.